Hello and hope you are having a fantastic time. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we bring to you a 2-bedroom shipping container house designed using 4 20-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more as we give you a house tour of this amazing shipping container house. Good, welcome back. So this house, we call it TOPBOX 640. This is a 640 plus square feet of habitable space designed using 4 20-foot shipping containers. In this presentation, we are going to give you a 3D floor plan for the ground floor level and also the first floor level. We're going to give you elevations and also exterior design details and finishes. We'll also give you a cost estimate checklist to guide you with your own shipping container project. If you like this design and you'd want to fabricate it as a DIY project, we'll also provide a list of tools and equipment you might require in the description below. If you like this design and will also want to make it a home for yourself, you can buy blueprints from our website sheltermode.com. So, without further ado, let's get started. On the design concept, as I had indicated, we've used 4 20-foot shipping containers, and what we've done was basically to place 2 shipping containers parallel to each other on the ground floor side by side, which will be used to create the living space of this amazing shipping container house. And then we place another pair of 20-foot shipping containers, but this time we stack them on top of each other and separate the 2 pairs with a small 1.2 meter wide space that can be used to create a staircase to access the upper level of shipping containers and also the amazing roof deck that we're gonna create on top of the 2 parallel placed shipping containers. What are the salient features we've managed to accommodate in this amazing shipping container house? So on the ground floor level, you get in to the house through the main door that has been placed in between the gap that is left to create a staircase to access the upper floor and the roof deck. So we have a living room on the ground floor comprising of a single wall kitchen. We have a small dining table that can seat 4 or even a maximum of 6 people. We have also a nice lounge space with good and ambient lighting. We also have one bedroom on that particular level with private access to the Juliet balcony at the rear of the building. We have a full bathroom which can also act as a guest bathroom. You can access the under staircase space using a private door that can be used either as a garden store or a farm store. Alternatively, you can also convert it into a wardrobe space or a closet for the bedroom on that particular level. When you go upstairs, you only find a single bedroom, which would act like now that is the private or the master bedroom for the unit. Yeah, it has a full bathroom, it has a wardrobe space and a nice bed with a private access to a Juliet balcony. You can also access the family terrace from that particular level once you land at the staircase. So that outdoor space on top of the 2 shipping containers provides sufficient outdoor living for family activities. So as usual, you need to observe good building practices when you are using shipping containers as the building blocks for your shipping container house. Yeah, you need to do proper insulation, and as usual, you need to observe and respect the climate from which you want to build. See, we've introduced full height sliding glass doors in the living room, to basically provide ambient lighting, and that also helps us to create that feel of spaciousness and airiness, hence helping us kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container. We've also left the original cargo doors on that particular level, and also on the other pair of stacked shipping containers to create private Juliet balconies to provide extra outdoor sitting space. So when it comes to exterior finishes, there are so many alternatives. You can either decide to clad the shipping containers if you don't like looking at them in their bare nature, or leave them the way they are. Especially if you buy a one-trip shipping container, it is always advisable to leave the original markers and colors to, one, help you preserve the history of the shipping container, and also to help you cut costs of giving them a fresh coat of paint. When it comes to interior design, we encourage you to go for a minimalist interior. Use transformative furniture to help you furnish your space, whereby you can use the space for one function during the day and transform it to another function at night. Yeah, you can also try out Murphy beds if you want to use the bed space for other functions like a children's playroom during the day and transform it into a bed space at night, or use it as an office space during the day and a bedroom at night. As usual, use light colored finishes for your interiors, hence making your interior spaces look bigger and brighter. When it comes to floor finishes, you can explore different type of floor finishes. Yeah, we've done videos on how to install different types of floor finishes like wooden floors. You can also install a tiled floor, or even use a concrete floor on top of the existing plywood floors that come with shipping containers. So feel free to check out our YouTube channel. We have all those videos detailing step-by-step process of doing exactly that. A cost estimate checklist to help you or to guide you if you want to do your own DIY shipping container project. So basically, this is a list that indicates all the things that you would require when you want to build a shipping container house. So if you find that things that are missing, feel free to add, and if there's any over provision, you are free to remove and compile a comprehensive list that suits your own project. If you like this design and would want to build the same, you can buy blueprints from our website. Yeah, we send you a whole set of drawings either in DWG or in PDF format, comprising of floor plans, elevations, sections, foundation details, and even roof details. If you like this video, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 100 design videos of amazing homes built from shipping containers, and also shipping container design ideas like even swimming pools that you can borrow from. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you have any questions or any clarifications as far as this design or any other design that you like on our shipping container YouTube channel, then you can throw us a question or contact us on our website through the contact form, and we'll respond appropriately. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.